Okay, so I've been taking apart pallets and I've been saving the nails for them just in case I wanted to work on a project with them. And I've decided to make this little ring out of the nails that I've saved. I used the long ones, so I have a little more to work with. You're going to want to start by just kind of grinding it down on a wire wheel, because that makes it a lot easier to work with, and it looks, well, not easier, but it looks prettier. So I've got it all ground down smooth, and it looks pretty good too. Make sure you pay close attention to around the head of it, because that's the part that gets the most rust stuck up there. Now I'm going to be using a mandrel because that's what I have and that's what makes it easiest. But if you don't have a mandrel, you can just use a socket and that'll work as well. You're going to want to clamp it in a vise, clamp it pretty tight, because otherwise it will slip from all the hammering that you'll do to it. And I'm just using, I'm pretty sure it's a rawhide mallet, one of those, just so I don't mar the metal. I'm just going to want to bend it over and over. And once you have it bent all the way over, just take it and rotate it so now you have a new side to bend over, so you can complete the circle. Just keep on knocking it out. And you can use the vise too to help bend it a little bit once you get halfway about. And I was hitting it on the side there because my nail got a little out of bent and I didn't want it too curved. But it's pretty easy. Once you have it just like this, you have a nice finished ring. And it looks pretty nice too. A little bit like a snake.